from class 8 math NCERT CBSE book. Now we are in question number 3rd of exercise 14.2. okay, what is the first question? Our first question is ax square plus bx. okay, actually in this third question the all are mixed all of all methods, as we say that we here, or as we done so far, we have taken out, first we taken out the common factor, then we see the regrouping, then we does the work on identities. So now this all question depend on all these things, this common factor, this regrouping, and these identities. okay, understand? Now we start to solve the question. Our first question is ax square plus bx. okay, when if we factorize this term, the value will be a into x and b into x. okay, here first of all we check for common factor. If we check for common factor, a is here but a is not here, x is here and also x is here, so we can take out the x from both terms. okay, for the next x there is no any next x. okay, so we will take only one x from both terms, so we take out the x. okay, now a into x will be left here, plus sign as usual, and b will left here, so our value become ax plus b. okay, now we cannot do anything for this term ax plus b because here we cannot take out the common term, also there is no minus sign, that's why we cannot use the int number third here. okay, so now we cannot, now it is the it come in irreducible form or irreducible factor form. okay, now we cannot reduce these things. okay, our next question is 7p square plus 21q square. okay, if we will factorize the 7p square, our value will be 7 into p into p. For 21q square, our value will be 3 into 7 into q. First we check for the common factor. Now 7 is here, 7 is also here, so we can take out the 7 from both terms. Now if you will check for p is here but p is not here, p is here but p is not here, so we will take out only 7 from both terms, so we taken out. Now p into p will left here and 3 into q will left here. okay, now our value become p square plus 3q square. Here also we cannot reduce this because it is the reducible factor form. okay, because here there is no minus sign, so we cannot do the use the int number third also. okay, it is the irreducible factor form. okay, now for the question number 3rd, first we factorize the 2x3, the value will be 2 into x into x into x, 2xy square, 2 into x into y, and for 2xz square, our value will be 2 into x into z into z. okay, now we check for common factor. 2 is common in all. okay, again if we will check for x, the x is common in all. okay, for the next x there is no next x here and here, for this last x there is no x. okay, there is no more x in all term. okay, so we will take out on 2x, so 2 into x we have taken out. Now x into x will left here, y into y will left here, and z into z will left here. okay, so our value become 2x x into x means x square, y into y means y square, and z into z means z square. Okay, so our value become x square plus y square plus z square 2x. Okay, completed. Now we cannot reduce it. Okay, our next question is, fourth question is am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square. Here there is four term. Okay, since here there is four terms, so we will use here regrouping system. Okay, you know that for the fourth term we use the regrouping. So if we see, if we make these two term as one group and these two term as one group, what will happen? We will take out m square from this both term, so a plus b will left here. Here if we will take n square from both term, then b plus a will left here, means here a plus b, here b plus a. Okay, that means we will have to rearrange it, then a plus b will definitely come. So we can make this one group and this we can make second group. Understand? But first of all we have to rearrange the system so that here a plus b comes, so here also we need a plus b, not b plus a. Okay, so small rearrangement can give us a plus b. Okay, so first we factorize this am square into m into n, for bn is m square, b into m, for bn square our value will be b into n, and for an square our value will be a into n, or factorized value will be a into n. First of all we check the common factor. For the common factor, if we check for the common factor, a is here, a naught is here. Okay, m is here, but m is not here. Okay, for the next m there is no next m here. Okay, so we cannot take out the common factor, so we will directly start the regrouping. Okay, now we take this and this terms as a common. Okay, and we will rearrange it. First we take it in here and as a first term of the group, and for b into b we will take at the second term of the second group. Okay, because it is the second group, so it will this term we will take at the second term of second group. Okay, and this term we will take as a first term of the second group. Understand? Now what we will take out here for this, first of all we will make the group. Okay, so first we a into m and b into m make this one group, and by this bracket, okay, by this bracket we make it one group. Okay, and by this bracket we make it as a second group. Now we will take out the common factor. Here m is here and also m is here, so m we can take out. Second m is here, second m is also here, so we can take 2m here. That means m square we can take as a common factor. Okay, if we will take m into m as a common factor, then a will left here and b will left here. Okay, so this become m into m and a plus b. Okay, it is better to close all things by this bracket. Okay, by big bracket. Okay, now we can take n into n from this both term. Okay, we have taken. Now a will left here and b will left here, and then what we will do, we will close it by this bracket so that this term can be separate with this term, and in between plus sign we can show easily. Okay, now if we will solve it, then m into m means m square, and we will remove this bracket because here we don't need the bracket, so a plus b will come out, and for the n into n value will be n square, and here we will remove the bracket only. So what we see here, in this term a plus b is here, and in this term also a plus b is here, so we can take out a plus b from this both term. Okay, so a plus b we have taken out. Now m square will be left here and n square will be left here, plus sign we will put in his own place. Okay, so our value become a plus b and m square plus n square. Okay, question number 4 completed. Now we have come in question number 5. Our question is lm plus l and m plus m. What he does, he has make a bracket here to see, to confirm that we can take out l from here and value will be m plus 1, and here also value is m plus 1. He has shown that we can make two group and we can use the regrouping system here. Okay, questioner has already make this bracket to show these things. Okay, but we will check all things. Okay, first of all we will check for is it possible to take out the common factor in all terms. First we will check for common terms. Okay, so here l into m, here there is l, here there is only m, here there is only 1. So l is here, but l is not here. Okay, so we cannot take out l from all terms. Okay, if you will check for m also cannot take out from all terms. Okay, our value become lm plus l plus m plus 1, because there is no multiple value outside of this bracket, so we can directly remove this bracket. Okay, and directly we can write these things. Okay, so we cannot take out any common factor from these 4 terms. So since there is 4 term in this expression, so what we will do, we will go with regrouping. Okay, in the regrouping he have actually questioner has done the some work. Okay, so in the regrouping we check that what will our two numbers of group. So here he has done something, so we will directly take out l from here. So our value will be l into m plus l, one group, and m plus 1 will become one group. If we will take out m from this both term, then our value become m plus 1. Okay, and for the m plus 1 we already seen that if there is no common factor, then what we take 1. Okay, so 1 will be common factor for m plus 1, and m will left here and 1 will left here. Here m plus 1, here also m plus 1. Okay, so close it by this bracket so that two term can be separated. Okay, now here we only remove this bracket. Okay, remove this one bracket. Okay, and these things. Okay, now here m plus 1 and here also m plus 1, so we can take out the m plus 1 from both terms. Okay, so we take out m plus 1. Now l will left here and here there is nothing, so only 1 is here, so 1 will left here. So our value become m plus 1 and l plus 1. Okay, now question number 7. It is very easy question because we have already practiced in all type of method. Okay, so it is not very hard. Okay, or not very complicated. Okay, now our question is y plus z plus 9y plus z. Okay, अब इस क्वेश्चन में अभी आप देखिए यहाँ पे ये एक टर्म ये है और एक टर्म ये है, इसमें y प्लस जेड इसमें है ही और इसमें भी y प्लस जेड है ही, तो हम कहीं किसी और मेथड को चेक करने की ज़रूरत क्या है, कॉमन फैक्टर और ये और वो दूसरा चेक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। यहाँ सीधा y प्लस जेड को बाहर निकाल लीजिए, तो ये क्या हुआ गया, ये पूरे के पूरे एक टर्म है, ये पूरे के पूरे एक टर्म है, सिर्फ अलग अलग टर्म मैंने बना दिया ब्रैकेट की सहायता से। y प्लस जेड को सीधा बाहर निकाल लीजिए, यहाँ बचेगा y और यहाँ बचेगा 9, सीधा सीधा आंसर आ गया, कुछ और चेक करने की ज़रूरत है ही नहीं। यदि करना चाहते हैं तो पूरे के पूरे को आपको सबसे पहले y को y से मल्टीप्लाई, y को z से मल्टीप्लाई, 9 को वैसे ही सब कुछ करके और फिर लास्ट में आपको यही करना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पे क्वेश्चनर ने ये बता दिया है कि यहाँ क्या होगा, y प्लस जेड कॉमन आएगा, यानी कुल मिला के रीग्रुपिंग का आधा काम इसने कर दिया और आधा काम ही हमको करना है। ठीक है, रीग्रुपिंग में ये क्वेश्चन होता है, यहाँ तक हम पहुँचते हैं और यहाँ के बाद ये वाला काम होता है, और ये क्वेश्चन के रूप में इसने पहले से दे दिया है, इसको ही क्वेश्चन के रूप में दिया। ये सारे टर्म्स जो है उसने खा गए, इसको दे दिया और इसके साथ बना दो, हमारे 2 टर्म्स बचे, सीधा सीधा हमने बना दिया। आ गया समझ में? क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। नाउ वी हैव रीच्ड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। आवर क्वेश्चन इज 5y square minus 20y minus 8z plus 2yz. Since here there is 4 terms, okay, so first of all you know that we apply the method common factor. Okay, so common factor method, first we try to apply the common factor method. Okay, so first we factorize the 5y square, our value will be 5 into y into y. For 20y our value will be 2 into y, 5 into y. For 8z our value will be 2 into 2 into 2 into z, and for 2yz our value will be 2 into y into z. Okay, now 5 is here, 5 is also here, but 5 is not here, so we cannot take out 5. Okay, for if we check for y is here, but y is not here, so we cannot take out any common factor from all 4 terms. Okay, now you know that here there is 4 terms, so we can use the regrouping system, regrouping method for the 4 term. So first of all we make the 2 group of 2 terms. Okay, so if we will take out if we will make these 2 terms as first group and these 2 terms as a second group, what will happen? 5y we can take out from both terms, so y minus 4 will be left here. Okay, in this group y minus 4 will left here, and if we check here 2z, if we will take out from both terms, then 4 plus y will, that means here y plus 4 will left, here 4 plus y will 4 and y will left. Okay, here y minus 4 will left, minus sign is there na, so y minus 4 will left, but here 4 and then y will left here, so we will rearrange it. Okay, and we will take this as a first term in this group and this as a second term in this group. Okay, and we will take this group as usual. Okay, so 5 into y minus 2 into y plus y, 5 plus y we will write down here. Okay, now we have completed the first group, and for the second group we will take first term, this one we will take the first term, so it have plus sign, so we will take with his sign plus 2 into y into z. Okay, and this all we will take as a second term minus 2 into 2 into 2 into z. Okay, now y minus 2z can be formed. Okay, now we will make this as a first group by this bracket. Okay, this bracket I have used here, this bracket I have used here, this will make this 2 term as first group, and this bracket will make this 2 term as a second group. Okay, now in this 2 term we can take out 5y is also here, 5 is here, 5 is also here, y is here, y is also here, so we can take out 5y from this both term. Now y will left here, and here 2 into 2 will left. Okay, there is plus sign. Now from this 2 term we can take 2z 2z in both terms, so 2z we can take out. Now y will left here and 2 into 2 will left here. Okay, what will our value? 5 into y is equal to 5y. Y we can remove this bracket here also, so y minus 4 will left here. Okay, now for 2 into z means 2z, and we will remove this bracket also because now we don't need this bracket. Okay, so here also y minus z will come. Okay, here if you see this two term, then y minus z, y minus 4 is here, also y minus 4 is here, so we can take out y minus 4 with by this both terms. So we take out y minus 4, and now if you take y minus 4 from here, then 5y will left here and 2z will left here, so our value become y minus 4 5y plus 2z. Okay, understand? Next question is 10ab, 8th question, 10ab plus 4a plus 5b plus 2. Here first we factorize the all term, so our value will be 2 into 5 into a into b. For 4a our value will be 2 into 2 into a. For 5b our value will be 5 into b. For 2 our value will be only 2 because 2 is the prime number. Okay, now first of all we will try to take the common factor. Okay, 2 is here, 2 is also here, but 2 is not here. For 5, 5 is here, 5 is not here. For a is here, but a is not here. B is here, b is not here, so we cannot take out the common factor because there is no any common factor in all terms. Okay, now since there is fourth term, so we will try for regrouping. Okay, in the regrouping, first we make the group of two term. We will make two group of two term, then we will solve it. Okay, so first we take these two group, these two as a one group and these two as a second group. See what will happen if we will take these two as a first group, then we can take out 2 from this both group and a from this both group. That means 2a can be taken out by these two group. If we will take out 2a, then 5b will be left here and 2 will be left here. 5b and b will left here. 5b in plus b is also here, so we can make this as a first group and this as a second group. Okay, because here there is also 5b plus 2. That means here we can take 1 as a common factor. Understand? Now we will take, first we will make the group two separate group. So first we close it by one bracket, so we have closed it by this bracket, and these two term we will close by this bracket. Okay, now we will take out the common factor from this two group. So 2 is common factor. Now 5b will left here and here 2 will left. Okay, from this two group we will this two term we will take 1 as a common factor. Now 5b will left here and 2 will left here. Okay, so now we will remove this bracket all. Okay, so our value become 2a 5b plus 2 and 5b plus 2. Here there is 5 plus b plus 2, here also 5b plus 2, so we can take out 5b plus 2 from both group because this is the first group, this is the second group. Okay, we can take out the 5b plus 2 from both group. So here again I have written that here we remove this bracket only. Okay, and write this all things as usual. Okay, now we take out 5b from both group we have taken, and 2a will left here, 1 will left here, so it will be our answer. Okay, completed. Now we have come in question number 9. In question number 9, first of all we will factorize the all term. Okay, now we first we check for the common factor. 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here, but 2 is not here. Okay, 3 is here, 3 is not here. Okay, x is here, x is not here. Y is here, y is here, but y is not here. So there is no common factor for all term. Okay, now since there is 4 terms, so we will try for regrouping. Okay, in the regrouping, first we will take 2 terms as one group and other 2 terms as a second group. Okay, if you will take these 2 terms as a first group and these 2 terms as a second group, what will happen? 2 can be common from this both term, and y we can take common from this both term. So 3x will left here and 2 will left here. Okay, 3x 2, and if you take 3 from here, then 2 and 3x will left here. 2 3x here, 3x 2 here, 2 3x. That means we have to rearrange it and take it this term as a first of second group, and this term we take as a second term of second group. Okay, so that 3x and 2 can become, because here 3x and 2 are our factor. Okay, so first we regroup it. Okay, minus 2 into 2 into y. Okay, now this term we will take with his sign also. Okay, so he have minus sign, so minus 3 into 3 into x. Okay, and this term has plus sign, so we will take with his sign also. Okay, now we will make these 2 term as one group and these 2 term as second group. Okay, so close it by the bracket. 2 into 3 into x into y minus 2 into 2 into y, and close it. Okay, now this is minus sign, and also these 2 terms we will close by the bracket. If we will close it by bracket and will take out the minus sign, then all sign of the terms will change. Okay, so since 3 into 3 into x is with minus sign, so this will be with plus sign, and this will be the minus sign. Understand? Because we have taken out the minus sign from this both term. Okay, because this we have closed by the bracket. Since we have closed by the bracket, that means minus sign has come out from the bracket, so this term sign will be changed. Okay, understand? Now we will see what common factor we can take out. Here 2y we can take out. Okay, because 2 is here, 2 is here, y is here, y is here. Okay, 2y we can take out, and then 3x will left here and 2 will left here. Okay, minus, and close this bracket by the these things. Okay, and now 3 we can take out from both term, so 3 taken out. Okay, our value become 3x, 3 into x and minus 2. Okay, also close this by big bracket so that terms can be separated with each other. Okay, now 2y 3x, now you remove this bracket. Okay, and minus 3x minus 2. Okay, what is the common factor in these 2 terms? This become one term, this become one term, and 3x minus 2 is common in both, so we will take out 3x minus 2 from both term. Then since 3x minus 2 has taken from this term, so 2y will be left here, minus sign as usual, and here 3 will left. So our answer become 3x minus 3 and 2y minus 3. Okay, now since it have 3x minus 3, so sorry, 3x minus 2, not 3x minus 3. Okay, 3x minus 2 and 2y minus 3. So it become our answer. Okay, so question number third has completed now. Okay.